Hi, so today we're going to be showing you the complete phone mounting setup for the Invacare LiNX 400 joystick controller as shown here in the video. We're going to go ahead and begin by mounting the mounting bracket that slides on top of the controller. It's a pressure fit. It's exactly designed to go on top of the controller. So once you have that mounted on, we're going to go ahead and mount your arm to it. So we're mounting the arm right now. Alright, and before tightening the arm, you're going to want to go ahead and mount the phone mount, which is what we're going to do right now. But before we go ahead and do that, when you get your kit, you want to make sure and you set your phone on top and tighten the two posts on each side to the width of your phone. So when you receive it, they're going to be loose, and once you get it, you want to make sure you go ahead and tighten that to the width of your phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and tighten it. Alright, you want to make sure that the letters on here are facing properly the correct way. So we're going to go ahead and rotate that to the other way. Alright, and then we finish tightening it. And to mount your phone, you mount it from the bottom first. Alright, and then you extend the two top hooks on top of your phone. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. Let's take off the phone. Alright, let's rotate it a little this way. Yep. Alright, so if you could just show them without the phone how it opens from the top, please. There you go. So now you could see the mechanism that's involved to grab your phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and place the phone. And now we're going to extend the top mounting grasp. And there you go. And then after that, like I said, you simply tighten the two side posts on each side and you're good to go. You could adjust it to however you want, and that's the beauty of the setup. You have it right at your reach. And one more thing to note, the mounting bracket on the joystick does have the cutout for your IR blaster. That the IR blaster, the one that you could program for your TV or other appliances that you have in your household, and it also has a cutout for your speaker. Alright, have a good day.